Good afternoon, Miss Ocean. As you know, parole is a privilege.
It's a mistake, but it happened. And if I were to be released, I would just want the simple life. I just want to hold down a job, make some friends, you know, pay my bills.
Even if this was possible, you'd need 20 people.
7 people.
Why do you need to do this?
Because it's what I'm good at. How long would it take you to make 7 pieces of jewelry?
5 or 6 hours.
How long if I told you you didn't have to live with your mother anymore?
इसलिए तुम्हारे पास कोई पति नहीं है. Less. You keep playing where you shouldn't be playing.
What's your name? Name Ball. What's your real name? 8 Ball.
You keep thinking that
I'm gonna be really poor.
What if we could make all this go away?
I just found me a brand new box of matches.
Can I get my watch back, please? And hers as well? Sorry.
It's okay. And what he knows you ain't had time to learn.
I am with my family. I told you not.
I'm in your garage. Do you want me to tell you how big the job
No,
is?
I'm out.
I'm gonna tell you how big the job is.
I'll be back before you know it.
Can I come with you?
This is Mommy's very special work trip.
In 3.5 weeks, the Met will be hosting its annual ball. And we are going to rob it. Not the ball itself.
On the neck of Daphne Kluger.
Valued at over $100
million.
It's 150 million, actually.
These boots are made for
Revenge. It's a twofer.
That's just what they'll do.
Do not run a job in a job.
One of these days, these boots are gonna walk all over you.
Taylor Swift? Can't we just go to this? Do we have to steal stuff?
Yes.
These boots are gonna walk
Is it genetic? Are the whole family like this?
Literally.